my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As y'all could tell by today's title, girl, today I'm gonna be figuring out what we're gonna do with all these scraps in question. This is my scrap yarn bin. I knew one day, sooner or later, it'd catch up to me and bite me in the butt, and I kept throwing scraps in. Skein I don't want, throw it in the scrap bin. You don't know what you want to do with it, this itty bitty amount, throw it in the scrap bin. It's getting to that point, and when stuff gets to that point, you gotta handle it. In today's video, I'm going to be crocheting something with my scrap yarn. I'm gonna be turning nothing into something. Half of this yarn up in here, you really can't even do a full project with if you wanted to. We're gonna be turning nothing into something. I already have an idea for what I want to do, mainly because I started it without y'all already, but I still wanted to pick up the camera and hold myself accountable and show y'all, just in case y'all wanted to make one too and give y'all an inspo. So y'all know how to knit girlies and like the sewing girlies and just the girlies period. So we'll have like a bag where we put our crochet projects in, or our yarn that we working on like a specific project for, a project bag. That's what we're gonna be crocheting. I'll put some inspo on the screen. I've seen knit ones. I think I seen probably like one crochet one when I was looking for patterns and stuff. I ain't seen none I liked. I feel like we deserve a project bag too. We got the yarn stash, we can make us a project bag too. So I went ahead and took some of my scraps and kind of like color coded them to stuff I like, or color combinations I like. This is what it's giving. I feel like this is really gonna save us a lot of time digging in that bin, even though I still feel like this not gonna be enough. I already kind of started on the base of the idea I have, because at the end of the day, I am creating something that I don't have a pattern for. So this is all math. Whole lot of math, whole lot of intuitive creating. This is what we got so far, and I have an idea to make it like rise up, like just like a tall basket, and turn it into a drawstring bag. Have I ever did this before? No, but I have a vision, and when you have a vision, you have all you need, honey. We gonna be making us a project bag, and this is our turning nothing into something challenge, girl. This is what we got so far. So this is about 13 rows. I don't know how long I want to, like, I don't know how tall I want the basket to be with a bag. I don't know, but I just feel like all these scraps I'm having, I wanted a project that I can use year round. A project wasn't a wearable. Something I feel like could be real tea, and we need in the crochet community. I'm tired of using tote bags. I'm tired of doing all that. If y'all like how this come out, and if I like how it come out, I'm definitely doing a tutorial or a pattern. Like I gotta get on my Zoom and make it for us, cause the bells that rung in my head when I got the idea. I started on this like a day or two ago. I didn't really crochet too much yesterday because I ran out of yarn, and that's when I started doing this. Basically, girl, if you're doing it with scraps, pre-make all your yarn. Pre-make all your yarn, do all this, so that as you crochet, you can just crochet. Let's turn this into something real tea. I'm excited. Okay, so like I said, I started off without y'all. I kind of want this video to get FaceTime. We just gonna continue with where I started. I kind of just been closing my eyes and digging in the bag. This bag was already filled with the colors that's on here. Just been picking randomly because I want it to be real colorful, fun. What are y'all working on? Are y'all crocheting? I just dropped the pattern for some crochet pouches, and I'm so excited to finish this so I can have my crochet pouch in my bag. It's gonna all come together. Y'all ever get like that vision in your head for something and you can't find a pattern for it? That's your sign to make it. In a world where we already know it have a crochet pattern for something, when it's not one and you got that idea, boo, you better make it, because I want to make whatever it is you thinking. I'm using a 6.50 millimeter and double stranded yarn, and I'm doing a double crochet. Hate to see me coming. Once I got past all my increase rows, I really started to flow through, and I kind of just lost track of everything. I'm at 13 rows, so I think I'm gonna do about 20 something, probably like 25 to 28 rows.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from
about it. Scrap yarn or not, babes, I'm coming up with a good color combination. Like, these are so cute, and it's giving me inspo for when I do start crocheting other stuff and I need like a quick, okay, what color combination should I do? I can look at my bag. Like, girl, it's a 2-for-1. Okay, a little update. I don't know what time it was the last time I called y'all, but I'm calling y'all now, so that's all that matters. And we are about 17, well, really 18 rows in. It's like a big bag, like a big old circle. I'm loving the colors. I'm loving it. I wish my rug looked like this. I haven't really been doing the double-stranded yarn with just different colors. Sometimes when I do double-stranded yarn, I just limit myself to using black. And this is showing me like, girl, it's too many other colors you could be using. So I think I'm gonna do about 25 rows and we'll see what that gives us, because I gotta remember with the way I have it in my head for how I want to do the bag is gonna kind of scrunch up. I don't want it to be too big and give it like, girl, what is that big old bag you got with you when I pull out my whips? So let's keep going and let's see what we can get done. I'm real excited and I want to hurry up and finish this.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday.
Hey girl, it's currently 10 o'clock, calling y'all back. So we are about 19 rows in, I think. So here's the idea for the bag. So I wanted to give like a decent size, because I do be crocheting clothes sometimes, and sometimes I do start projects that have multiple different shades of yarn. So this is what we got so far. So I'm really thinking the 25 rows would be like the, keep going. I don't know how much more I'm gonna crochet tonight. Like the colors, I feel like this like the perfect yarn stash project, because I feel like I be making a lot of clothes and stuff for my scraps, and it's getting to the point where like clothes is gonna become scraps eventually. This is forever. It don't just have to be my crochet projects, because I'm really finna get in my knitting bag sometime before fall come. I gotta hurry up and get some stuff on my needles. So yeah, that's how much we got done so far. We still got a lot of scrap yarn, so I think I'm gonna have enough scrap yarn pre-rolled, so I don't really have to deal too much with this bin of yarn, because Lord knows I did not want to have to deal with none of that. Do y'all be seeing like those little umbrellas, them crochet umbrellas? I really want to make one of them. They just look so tea. They look so cute. I'm about to go ahead and finish listening to my book and crochet for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed. We'll pick back up in the morning. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this row, because these are some big rows. Like, y'all don't understand how big this is. Like, long rows to be finishing. This has definitely been my pickup project, and I'm not mad at it, because the colors, looking at the colors and stuff and just like the pattern, it's real easy, real simple, and it just gives you like a dopamine boost. And I'm just so excited to finish it so that I can add my whips in it, because I got whips sitting over here in the bin, I got whips over there. It's just whips everywhere. It's been a few days. I've been busy lately, so I kind of forgot about this video and I just been crocheting. I ended up finishing the bag, and let's just say it came out a little bigger than we expected. Maybe it was the increased rows I did. I probably did a few too many increased rows. It's like a little 360 of it. And then like it got the drawstring and it opened. Well, as I was finishing the bag up, I'm like, okay, well, this could be my bag for when I'm at home. But we need a whip bag, like a to-go whip bag. I may or may not have started another whip of the same bag, but smaller. So that's what I'm currently working on. And I think I'm just gonna, it's not as big as that one, but I think I'm just gonna do like 20 rolls for this bag, and like that'll be my to-go with bag. But this bag is gonna be for when I like, because I like to go sit outside and crochet sometimes, or I like to, you know, X, Y, and Z. I feel like it's the cutest thing ever. Let me show y'all. I'm thinking about lining these bags because I feel like that'll be really good. And I want to get back in my sewing era. It's about that time. Nothing is worse than having a skill and not using that skill, which is why I've been knitting. I got my knit whip in here. Your girl finally started a project. I'm working on this cardigan. This like color block cardigan, so big. Like you could put so much stuff in here. And as I was making it, I was thinking, I'm like, wait, I made this big old bag. I can make a bean bag. Like I am unstoppable. I can make anything. I wanted to comment update y'all and let y'all know that I started on another bag. As far as scrap yarn, the scrap yarn bin is still looking a hot mess. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna save a lot of these scraps that can't be salvaged as stuffing. Yeah, a lot of this is tangled and I already need more yarn for the bag, so I just finished the bag itself and I'm loving the colors on this one. One thing I'm gonna do is put a good color combination together. I don't do nothing else. I keep telling y'all. Came out so cute. Now I'm about to go ahead and do the little drawstring part, and I'm gonna use this little scrap ball. As much as I like making these color combinations, girl, it be taking a long time sometimes to tangle all this yarn. For the drawstring, I really don't count how many. I haven't counted this whole project, I'm not gonna lie. That's probably why the math part of the last bag got the bag looking big like that. I don't know which one my favorite. I think I like both. I'm excited. I end up using this bag more than I use that one. I'm gonna make that bag bigger, and I'm gonna make it into like a little autumn thingy, or like a little bean bag for me to sit on. Let this be y'all sign to turn them scraps into something cute. I got a special place in my heart for scrap projects, because what do you mean you got a whole bunch of scraps and you about to throw it away? You gotta think about it. This really be yarn you bought and you spend money on it. Even if it is scraps, you still spend money on that yarn, babes. You need to turn it into something. I got my long chain, and I like how I did the navy blue, and we got like the color pops. We got some oranges, some yellows, some pinks. So now I'm about to go ahead and thread it through the top. My last bag I decreased, and for this one I wanted to not decrease so I could see what it'll give. I don't know, I'm gonna let y'all know how I'm feeling. So this is the finished product. Isn't it the cutest thing you seen all day? Imagine pulling your whips out of here and you just start talking. So it got the little drawstring. This the inside. We didn't handle that yet. We ain't get to that yet. Don't say nothing. It's gonna get handled though, because I've been weaving my ends in lately. It's the cutest thing ever. Like, I am gonna line this one for real. And I keep saying this so I can hold myself accountable. Yeah, it's real cute, compact. Like, I could put my crochet pouches in here because I gotta put all my stuff in here. The big one. So we got the mini one and we got the big one. Girl, a lot of men say they're not cute. Lie. I really want to make one even smaller than these two, but like a size smaller than this one. Like, I might either change the amount of increases I do or change my hook size. For the most part, they're so tea. Even if I would have downsized my hook, it probably still would have been good. But like I said, if I feel like I'm gonna make one more probably so I can perfect the pattern. I really like it. It's really giving me like the little bags that they be sewing. We successfully turned our scrap yarn into something useful, because these are going to be very useful and y'all about to see them in every video after this. Girl, these bags finna hate to see me coming. I'm not even playing. I definitely recommend y'all turn y'all scrap yarn into something useful and get it out that bin, get it out that Walmart bag, and do something with it. It was definitely the perfect project for today. Well, for the past few days. Y'all already know the drill. We about to go ahead and end this off. Love you. And you know we go together what? Real bad. Kisses. And I'm gonna see you when I see you. Bye.